Think back to how we used AI a few years ago. You typed specific paragraphs, only to wait for a blurry, distorted mess. By April 2026, that relationship has vanished. The era of AI as a separate, conscious tool that you manually command is over. As this diagram shows, we are moving away from isolated software grids. The fluid aura replacing them represents the invisible infrastructure that now powers our daily routines. For decades, humans had to adapt their behavior to fit how computers worked. We learned their menus and their syntax. Today, the environment has begun automatically adapting to the human. The latest updates hitting the market this month focus on the aggressive removal of technological friction. Every delay or manual step that used to slow down a task is being erased. But this shift brings up a difficult question. If we remove the friction from our workflows, our art, and our communication, are human systems actually built to survive in a completely frictionless reality? In the modern digital workspace, the way we handle cognitive labor and daily administrative chores has been entirely rewired. This tracks a standard administrative workload: 8 hours of manual reading, summarization, and content generation using Notion AI and ChatGPT shrinks to a 10-millisecond automated workflow. These micro-automations chain together without human intervention, executing multi-step business workflows instantly. These same efficiencies have moved into the realm of high-end artistic creation. Consider Google's latest model, Veo. It generates cinematic quality video that can morph seamlessly between entirely different environments on command. Veo automates variables that used to require teams of specialists. It renders realistic motion physics, dynamic lighting, and complex scene transitions in seconds. The technical hurdles of execution have largely vanished. While taste and storytelling remain human-led, the mechanical labor of high-budget production is now available to anyone with an idea. This shift also reaches the micro level of our lives. The smartphone has become the primary vessel carrying this technology into our most intimate routines. Walk through a foreign street market and hold a fluid conversation with a local vendor. Translation happens in real time, mid-sentence, removing the barrier of language. Add in predictive voice assistants, algorithms that anticipate scheduling and routing needs before you ask. These integrations have become the background noise of daily life. This is ambient AI. You no longer open an app to find information. You exist within an environment that is constantly mediated by AI. After decades of development, we have finally achieved a world that anticipates needs and executes tasks without being asked. But this reveals the frictionless paradox. By removing the technological friction from our labor and our creation, we have ignited massive, uncontrollable friction across society itself. Automating workflows at zero marginal cost leads directly to widespread labor displacement. This speed also fuels an uncontrollable flood of misinformation, making truth harder to verify. Finally, ambient AI requires constant environmental analysis, creating deep data privacy vulnerabilities. The global response has been immediate. Organizations are scrambling to draft enforceable regulations, ensuring these developments don't outpace our ability to manage them. We are rapidly approaching a reality where fully autonomous businesses run their own operations, and AI-generated entertainment commands massive shares of the global economy. The developments of April 2026 establish AI as the primary infrastructure for future innovation. It is the foundation upon which new industries are being built. Surviving this digital frontier no longer means taking a tutorial on how to use AI. It requires understanding how to navigate the very fabric of the world this technology is rebuilding around us.